now, bye.
Now, baby, bye.
Oh, why?
You're a bad boy.
Sweetheart, I say, the wife. Oh, my God. I don't believe this way. What it be this? What it be this? What it be this? Jesus. You must Jesus. Man, sharply go use my drug. I come. Ha!
Jesus! Jesus!
Hello, my people. What's up? It's your boy OBIKING, and I'm back again with another episode of what I do best, comedy reaction. So first and foremost, a very big thank you to everybody who always sticks by my video, who always watches my video to the very end. I really appreciate, and I do not take it for granted. This is another one here, and this one is going to be very short, you understand? So make sure you do as usual, you watch to the very end, you tell me your favorite parts of the video, and share this video. And in case you're coming across for the very first time and you're yet to subscribe, do the needful, subscribe. It won't take anything away from you. You feel me? So don't play my people. Let's go have some fun.
What? No fucking. Why you?
This is Macaroni.
Come. Where your phone? Where your phone, Yahoo boy?
I'm not a Yahoo boy, sir.
Shut up.
I'm the tech boy. I'm just going to meet my mommy, sir.
You're a Yahoo boy, you're a tech boy. Going to see your mommy. Look at the things coming out of your. Going to see your mommy at this age and time. What does that say about the tech that you are doing? I bring this one. I recommended.
I can't see, sir.
Like maybe blind. Reach where you go. Hold this one. I'm nothing for the people protection. Oh, why bring this one? You stop the shit finish.
I'm not Balo.
Thief. My friend, run us!
Police. I'm robbers.
I'm robbers.
Yes.
Yes, I dey fear. I be weak man, yes. I not get my yes, I agree.
That is what we see. That is what we see every now and then.
Was?
What's
Oh, Gabi.
You the chat Sophia, me?
Yes. The chatter.
Correct. I tell her say me she send Apple card yesterday. She don't send them.
I tell her say me she no bother about the Apple card.
What's why?
Oh, Gami, you know say Apple small now. If you don't collect your own percentage, what it go remain for me for the Apple? So I say me she just buy something way big. Watermelon card.
Huh.
Watermelon card.
Huh.
Wait, you know what's in the Apple at all?
Yes now. Apple is a kind of food. Sweet like sugar. Green like Ninja flag. Everybody like
Green like
Apple.
Ninja flag.
You a fool. It's Papa lost Apple card. Apple card is something that they will give to you. Convert it to money. Give me
Nah,
my laptop.
Mumuna. What's
no,
that?
no.
Give my laptop. Just
Now.
give my laptop. Shift small.
Show me you buy watermelon card.
Yeah, get out of my house. Get out!
That's when everyone
Hey,
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Where did they want this one?
Who is this?
It's my boyfriend.
Your boyfriend?
You know they ever get better boyfriend.
From boyfriend to fiancé, you wanna marry him?
Yes, daddy.
Now that will not bring us together.
Mr. Boyfriend, how are you?
You know
He
the
doesn't
song.
eat toto.
He's a shy guy. He's an introvert.
Oh, an introvert. I like this kind of people, eh?
That's how I used to behave.
No problem, eh? You're not going to disgrace me, oh. You won't disgrace me in this house. You tell me where you met this idiot.
Now that will not bring us together.
See money, oh! So, Mr. Boyfriend, if I give you this money and tell you to leave, my...
Oh, babe! I thought you said you love me.
I say, come on.
Look at the idiot you're following. He doesn't even know the dollar I gave him is fake. Yes, now. The dollar is fake.
He will come back now.
If you turn that neck now, if you turn your neck,
What?
police your papa.
Okay.
I never expected it.
Like you do some send you message, you cost that for yeah. You cost it get mind. You can't get my money to my nika, my 1,000 naira. Where my money? Where my money?
You?
Come with my money. I'm not blaming. That useless guy I blame.
Master, calm down now. Why you fucking my daughter your insult?
It should not be useless guy. She for not they thief your money. Give this my stupid brother. They call him love.
Jesus!
See the love him. You will cry.
You
What's it to be much? No, let me burn you. I will tell you I am badder than you are baddest.
Better than your baddest.
Why you there run now? Did you the fear? Did you? Why you the fear?
What do you want from me? Now they always fearful. Why be like this?
Run!
If you like, don't change your evil ways. That's all the way you don't take like life will come for you one day. This one are the hazard. Him out.
This is bad.
Brodda! This one I'll be tricking sis.
You dey crazy?
Where will you go now?
Just like that, where will they go so, we will enjoy.
Okay, I got you.
It's your birthday. We gon' party. It's
The gate is open. This is where we are coming to, So, Metete, Outwell, compose yourself.
Devil has been waiting for you since to fail. And you just carry your destiny, give it to him, say, bros, do your thing.
Oswa! Good afternoon, sir.
Neighbor!
It's me, Ice. You're welcome, my son. And my auntie, the king, be this. When I tell you, say, I want you to stay to rest of king. You know, say the doctor talk, say, you go soon leave this world. So let's proceed.
What for me? Me! Let's talk to a poor man like you. Me and you, we don't chop today.
Philip, don't do this now.
We don't chop yesterday. How can I give you money when you stay so your slippers?
Philip! What type of plane is
Philip, I feel your lip.
Mama! Please don't do this now! Philip!
Like bad boy.
Mama, don't do this now! Mama,
Rest of king don't do well. Body catch.
Hey, Frankie.
You are bestie, what's up?
I'm fine. Are you busy?
You am free, what's wrong?
My boyfriend broke up with me again.
Again? Come on, bestie. I told you that getting good for you. Each time this shit is happening. Jesus. Damn.
He said I was cheating on him.
Cheat?
But you know, I can't cheat on him, right?
You don't cheat now, you've never cheated. Are you mad? What's wrong with him? Can you imagine?
I tried explaining, but he quit. He just keep arguing with me. But you know I love him so much, right?
Jesus. Yes, I know you love him. How would you say you are cheating?
I'm sorry to disturb you, bestie.
Don't worry.
But I'm so heartbroken.
Protection. Yes. Condom. Yes. Bestie, stop crying.
Shut up your mouth.
What's going on here?
And I really need a shoulder to cry on. Can you come over to my house?
I'm already here, bestie.
This is not what a man do.
Please.
What's what they do for you?
I'm gonna carry another thing for mine.
A few moments later.
You never see that? Blood of Jesus, blood of Jesus, blood. Like bad boy.
Bye, bestie.
You get it? If you don't get it, forget
about it.
being just beautiful should be your main job. Whatever thing you're doing should be a side hustle.
You are brighter than the moon.
Thank you.
Brighter than the
I like you.
I'm gonna that for now. I'm not for you.
You?
If she likes you, everything is free. If she doesn't, everything has a fee.
Hi, Becky. Hello. Hi. Baby, how are you? I'm fine. I have a gist for you. Really?
Ha!
Is that your boyfriend? Oh, yes, he's my boyfriend.
Let's have it.
I met him at the supermarket yesterday. And he said he likes me.
It's not really that kind of likeness, do you get? I was about passing an information to her. I wanted to tell her about Code 7 Exchange, a crypto company where you can trade your gift card, Bitcoin, USDT, RMB, anything digital asset. They are fast and reliable even when it comes to payments. I also wanted to tell her that they build website and app that she can reach out to them through their website at www.code7exchange.com or through their phone number. That was all, and she left.
Is that how you go about telling every random girl that you like them?
Okay, now I think you're really misunderstanding me. Come on, I was only trying to pass an information.
Won't you tell her you like her before passing the information?
Lights are turned off. Music is on.
So what do you stand to gain from all of this now?
Having you is what I stand to gain.
Hey! Okay. The girlfriend don't vex come on. She don't come go.
We'll go inside.
So this is it, right?
God of Nazareth! God of Mosai God!
So you fell for this cheap prank, right? I am Becky here planned this and you fell for it. I'm so ashamed of you.
Manisha Adegema, do you know you don't have sense? If you have cars around yam loyalty test, you carry yam, they give goat, making hope for you. Do you have sense at all? You, when they send you loyalty test, you run come do loyalty test. And for drag inside, and not kill there, your mind for day. You are going to get out from here. Come get out from here. Come on from here.
God will send a destiny helper to woman. The destiny helper will come you before God.
They go, get away. If you run them loyalty test, give it a half car. If now you will resist it, If I want that
Devil has been waiting for you since.
You didn't carry girl last night.
I made you big fat.
Oh God, that's the way you talk. Repeat them again. But you know, say you be better person. God will bless you.
Hello, na. Omo, you know nothing dey happen no. Remember the baby boy carry for club na? Na Shawu Bono Callmewhizzy.
Jesus.
You no go believe say the girl see dey massy today. He just aloba. Girl walk carry on Sunday. Maybe say on Monday morning you don't give her money, make they go in house. Before I wake up, this girl don't enter kitchen, begin dey cook. You no go believe what this girl cook. This girl go cook rice and chicken. I know say rice and chicken. I think my ex used time me that year. Die for you. You no finish for dear blood. If I know this girl don't play whiskey music, I know say me and whiskey music na 5 and 6.
Never did it.
You no finish for there, it still remain. Me won't come go outside. This girl don't watch that my new Range Rover. I tell you. You dey making 1 week now. This girl see them my ass. I swear to God, we make it. This girl don't come up from my house today.
Jesus.
I made just spag and chicken.
Talk to you later, yeah?
Animal!
You go be now.
Idiot!
Once you eat another one again.
Don't worry. I'll pay for it.
Thank you, sir. Don't worry.
I insist. Let me pay for it.
Let me pay it, sir.
It's me that want to pay for this thing. Let me pay for it.
All right, then.
How much? 50,000 naira, sir. Me, I just said 10,000 naira.
Hi. That might be like that.
Oh.
I come.
Yeah, no. You are who boy?
Alright, now bye.
Don't come out.
Oh, why?
You are a bad boy.
Sit down. I say, the wine. Oh my God.
I don't believe this way to be.
What be this? What be this?
Jesus.
They don't give my guy
Man, shall we go use my drug? I dey come.
They don't give my guy ST.
Jesus!
You the see this man.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, please, which way are you going?
Down the junction there.
Please, can you give me a ride?
No, I'll be mechanic. I just interest grab this car. I beg, I don't fit.
Sir, please, just that junction there, please.
Better can I go? I'm not worried.
Are you serious or you are joking now?
Hello, where you there now?
Calm down, I know be the car they test.
Now you come on, sis.
Wait, I go use turn. I just wait for me.
Thank you, sir.
You are welcome, Jare.
Let's have it.
Hello, Alaji. Good afternoon, sir. Where is my car? Did they work on it? Soon finish am. Please be fast. I have an appointment.
Sir, please, can I change my dress? I want to change my dress.
Why you don't change before you come in fast?
Sir, I was in a hurry.
Yeah, change. Feel at home.
Thank you, sir.
Now what for you?
Non, rien de rien. Alaji, you go see me now. They go soon finish the car. See, let me tell you something. If I did not see my car in the next 30 minutes, you are fired. No, Alaji, never reach like that now. Get out!
You go regret your life, don't worry.
Hello, wait there now, bro.
May you calm down. I see the child the car now.
Which one man calm down? Now since you come on, you tell me to calm down.
Wait, you go see me now. I know the shot for me at the cop.
Oh, if I see this guy, I swear to God,
You said do fast. Oh, come. What will be the color of your problem?
Blood of Jesus! Jesus.
What's happened to my car again?
Alaji, when I did test drive your car, actually the car got stolen.
My car got stolen. All my life documents, I mean everything about my life is in that car. And you guys are telling me that my car got stolen. Stop it, it's a joke. And if you guys are serious about it, I promise you, mechanic, you rot in jail.
9 to 5, Babylon got a choir.
October 2030.
What's in prison now you did since? I did they why they chop this way be like water. Because of one stupid thing, I go to 5 years for them.
They will. Look at that boy, arrest him! I promise you, you rot in jail.
She's in a play.
Do you know that boy?
I don't know, man. What's his name? Okay. What you going to do again?
Walk with my brother. It seems you want to drive out.
Yeah,
Please, can you give me a ride?
This
ain't now.
Thank you.
This same girl again. Can you imagine? The same girl.
Madam, who are you?
Landlord! Landlord!
Hey, Dad.
Oh! Got it!
Landlord. Now one for you. Why you dey shot like that now?
Cat, I've been waiting for you. I've been searching for you everywhere. I came to the compound, I didn't see you. Cat, where's my rent?
Yeah, Oga landlord, no vex, as you fine. See your see your fine calf. Oga landlord, I go pay you your money now. Calm down. Tomorrow I go pay you your money. Money na water.
Chineke ya pogo ko eba. Cat, just one month where they pay me 10,000 naira. Last month you don't pay me. Now so you tell me I will pay you tomorrow till the thing stay over. I don't know whether na rice. I don't know whether na rice will spoil. Cat, where's my rent?
I don't hear you. Tomorrow, you don't go pass. You don't go pass tomorrow. Landlord, I buy shoe for your pikin. Shoe.
Chineke kwere hojo. Cat, wait, you get money to buy shoe, Nike,
you don't get money to
for my
pay
pikin, and you don't even get money to pay my house rent. Nike and the house rent, which one they costly pass?
I wonder. I be not promise your pikin since that's not small pikin now. Nothing bad there to buy a shoe, Nike.
You get wish.
Cat, my rent today important pass Nike, yo. Give me first. See, if I not see my rent tomorrow, I go Nike you.
You go pass.
Now they take risk, Now they take risk.
Go see. Go walk.
Who go see?
Ma pay house rent for house, where network they do for outside. Instead of me to pay you that money, I go to buy your children things. Tomorrow I go buy their school bag and lunch box. You go see gift, you go tire. Weekend landlord.
I don't want peace.
Can you imagine?
I want problems, always.
If you don't want pay, you pack out now.
Oh boy, Twizzy, what happened? Oh boy, problem there. Problem
Problem dey for where? Problem dey for where? Talk now.
See, I want to send my girlfriend I love you. I mistakenly go send her for landlady. Landlady! Joe, Ihul and Twizzy. You know say they own landlady 2 years rent.
I didn't get paper body. You still stand here. Go beg him now.
Go beg him.
You dey ask me. Go beg him.
Good morning, ma.
Who are you?
Festus.
Yes, ma. Ma, please, see, I want...
I saw the message where you sent for me.
Ma, nothing I want...
It's okay. Calm down, You know say you be fine boy.
Nala.
I mean, say if I don't be hold the thing for long, I one day you say, I love you too. And you know say since when my husband died, nobody they enter here. Cobwebs don't cover everything. I won't make you they help me, they clear the cobwebs.
Ma, okay, your rent now.
No worry. For the rent. If you dey stay here, you no go dey pay me rent.
You mean now?
No pay me. Just dey clean the cobwebs.
Okay, bye.
The Lord has done it.
Finally.
The Lord has done it.
Festus, you don't apologize.
Apologize for what?
What's up with my food now? Where's my order? I've not seen it since morning.
Ma'am, please calm down. The food will get to you soon. Please, I'm trying to cover up.
Motel.
I'm trying to pack your order, ma.
Please hurry up. Tell your dispatch rider to be fast. I have an appointment. In fact, look, I'm traveling. Please be fast.
Yes, ma.
How do you say you're almost done? See, something I've ordered like three days ago. This is why I don't trust you guys.
Ma, I'm so sorry.
Please, hurry up, please.
Motel, we go chop food for road.
Thank you very much.
Motel, we go chop food for road.
Make sure you take this food to that address. Please, hurry up. You see that woman, she's already shouting. Please, I don't even have time. Make sure you deliver it to that woman. Please, be fast.
I get it.
The right address, please. Oga, be fast.
Let's have it.
One man.
I've seen a ride already.
Hello, ma.
Hello. See, at this point, you cannot even kill me because I did not kill my mother.
Jesus.
Do you understand? It doesn't make any sense. See, now, I'm about to enter the car now. I've not seen your dispatch rider.
Ma, I get the dispatch now.
You know what? It's okay. It's fine. You told me a few minutes, Abi. Now, I've waited for over 2 hours.
Otipo one chance. Who they go? You go. Enter, now one person remain. I understand. And I go quick run.
No, please. Send me his number. Let me call him myself. Please.
Okay, ma.
Hey! Just send the number. Thank you very much.
Mumu, you never said that.
And the fool is not even picking up the call. He's not even picking the call. That's the annoying thing.
Hello?
You again.
Hello?
You again, Abi. You know what, This evening, complete it.
I will die.
Good. No big deal. We are full. I hear it. Back in that mortuary.
Out of me and you. What go take now? All of them are nowhere. Both you and the dispatch rider and the person we send are nowhere at all. So you don't experience them before. You still go fall again to the same person. You never did serious now, you make. Hey God. Thanks guys for watching to the very end. I believe you enjoyed yourself. What's your favorite part of the video? Please drop it right in the comment section. Please. And subscribe if you're yet to subscribe. And please turn on your bell notification to get notified anytime I drop this amazing videos. Because I drop videos every day. You understand? I drop videos every day. So if you do not want to miss out, make sure to turn on the bell notification. You understand? Check out my other videos. There are plenty. Like, I get plenty of videos. They're on my channel. Check them out. There's so many videos you are yet to watch. So check them out, my people. Check them out and watch them. It's very important. You get. So see you in my next one, my people. Peace out.